Can I get Roku on Samsung Smart TV? No, Roku is not available as a native app on Samsung Smart TVs because Roku is a separate streaming platform with its own operating system. However, you can still access Roku content on your Samsung Smart TV using alternative methods such as the Roku Channel app, casting, or connecting an external Roku device. 1. Using the Roku Channel app on a Samsung Smart TV. While you cannot install the Roku operating system on a Samsung Smart TV, you may still be able to access the Roku Channel app. To check if it is available, press the Home button on your remote. Open the Samsung Smart Hub or App Store. Search for the Roku Channel. If available, select Install, then open the app and start streaming free content. 2. Using Chromecast to cast Roku content to Samsung Smart TV. If your Samsung Smart TV supports Chromecast or screen mirroring, you can cast content from the Roku Channel app on your phone or tablet. Ensure your Samsung TV and mobile device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Roku Channel app on your phone. Tap the cast icon and select your Samsung Smart TV. Play your chosen content and it will appear on your TV screen. 3. Connecting an external Roku streaming device. For full Roku functionality on your Samsung Smart TV, you can connect a Roku streaming device. Plug a Roku streaming stick, Roku Express, or Roku Ultra into an available HDMI port on your Samsung Smart TV. Switch to the Roku input source using your Samsung TV remote. Set up the Roku device, log in, and start streaming. 4. Watching Roku content through a web browser. If your Samsung Smart TV has a web browser, you may be able to access the Roku channel through its website. Open the Samsung TV web browser. Visit www.therokuchannel.com. Log in and stream available content. Since Roku is not available as a built-in app on Samsung Smart TVs, the best way to use it is by connecting a Roku streaming device. You can also access the Roku Channel app, cast Roku content, or use a web browser to watch free Roku content on your Samsung Smart TV.